Small smartphones tend to not get much love. They often aren't as feature-packed as their larger counterparts, which is why it was refreshing to see the only differences between the original 2016 Google Pixel and Pixel XL, as well as last year's Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, were the size and battery. Unfortunately, trends show things are quickly going back to the norm. The Pixel 2 XL differentiated from the Pixel 2 with a bezel-less design, and the Sony Xperia XZ2 Compact doesn't have wireless charging or the new dynamic vibration system found in the larger Xperia XZ2. And with the new Galaxy S9, you won't find the versatile dual camera system that's present in the larger Galaxy S9 Plus. Are the extra features in the Galaxy S9 Plus worth the money, or will you be satisfied with a smaller phone? Let's take a closer look. The Galaxy S9 is the perfect sized phone. It's easy to wrap our palms around this smooth 5.8-inch device, and our fingers ergonomically rest on the curved edges along the S9's frame. The power button on the right edge sits in an easy-to-access position, as does the Bixby button on the left edge. It's a shame we've turned off Bixby's functionality, so the button remains useless. More on that later. Despite the small size, the volume rocker on the left edge is still a little too hard to reach, just like it is on the Galaxy S9 Plus. We have to shuffle the phone a little lower to tap it. On the bottom edge of the phone is a USB Type-C charging port, with a bottom-firing speaker and a headphone jack. You'll be pleased to learn that Samsung finally uses stereo sound. The top earpiece works with the bottom-firing speaker for AKG-tuned, Dolby Atmos audio. Music is easily room-filling, with rich, clear sound, but weak bass. It's a step up from Samsung's previous smartphones, but dual front-facing speakers like those on the Pixel 2 would be an even better addition. We often end up covering the bottom-firing speaker when holding the phone in landscape mode. The back of the S9 isn't drastically different from years past. Samsung has essentially flipped its horizontal camera and fingerprint sensor setup vertically, making it easier to place your finger. Sadly, it's still easy to touch the camera sensor because the fingerprint module isn't distinguished enough from the camera frame, and both are still too close to each other. Speaking of fingerprints, get ready to carry a microfiber cloth or use a case with the S9, otherwise you'll spend countless minutes getting rid of smudges and fingerprints off the glossy glass back. Size is the Galaxy S9's strength here. The S9 is slightly shorter than last year's S8, but you get the same 5.8-inch screen thanks to the smaller bezel surrounding the display. After going between the S9 Plus and the S9, we much prefer the smaller phone. It's comfortable and easy to hold, while still being a great entertainment